a day in my life as a tambay nga nahimong supervisor. Mayong adlaw! So for today's video guys is maato ta padulong og asa na pagta? Ting-tiririn! So maato ta og park pool guys. Ikan din after church din na mo guys ning panahon na. Then it's Saturday. It is rest time guys. So gikan sa simbahan. So after sa simbahan guys, gabi na. So all we have to do is we are going to dinner outside. So wow, yummy yummy. So ang sarap talaga ng inasal guys. Sarap balik-balikan. Bidli kayo guys. So actually daghan man kay na mo order guys no kay daghan pamilya naman ni pirmi diha no. So daghan kay pag sobra guys kay wala ni kahurot andi rice ginaba ako wala akong andi rice guys pero naanlig ako ng pagkaon guys kay murag natintal man ta nga sila daghan nakaon nya kita dali ra kita makaon so wala na nawala gid akong diet na panahon na guys. And yes, I just want to say thank you so much for my uncle and auntie. They are very supportive. They are so giver talaga guys. Sobra. Kaya binibless sila kaya it is because they are very giver talaga. So since we're done eating guys, we are off to home na. So that was my cousin guys. Nagpa-pronsit na kay busog na kayo si Inday.